Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to change the language in Google Chrome. Whether you use Windows, Mac, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set Chrome to your preferred language. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Next, click the three dots icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Then, select Settings from the drop-down list. After that, scroll down and find the Languages section. Now, click on Add Languages and choose the language you want to add. Then, click the three dots next to the new language and check Display Google Chrome in this language. Finally, click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the new language. Changing your Chrome language is simple with these steps. Just add your preferred language, select it for display, and relaunch the browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.